Hi everybody. Today we are going to do the problems from exercise 1.2 in 9th class from first chapter. So the first question is classify the following numbers as rational and irrational numbers. So we have some numbers we have to divide or classify into rational and irrational numbers. So how can we divide? If a number which we can write in the form of p by q, they are the rational numbers. So the first one is root 27. Root 27 we cannot take out from roots, so we cannot write in the p by q form. That's why it is irrational. So now 441 we can write equal to 21. So 21 means 21 by 1, so it is rational number. Rational. So and it is 30.23234235 dash. So it is non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. So ఇది టర్మినేట్ అవ్వట్లేదు, డాష్ ఉంది కాబట్టి రిపీట్ అవ్వట్లేదు. 23 తర్వాత మళ్ళీ మారిపోయింది. సో వీ కెనాట్ రైట్ దీస్ డెసిమల్స్ in p by q form. That's why it is irrational. Okay, so non-repeating, non-terminating decimals no p by q form lo rayalem, so that's why irrational number. 7.484848 dash, it is non-terminating repeating decimal, so we can write in p by q form. That's why it is rational. It is 11.2132435 that's all. So non-repeating on terminating decimal. అది repeating కాదా మనకు పక్కన పెడితే it is terminating decimal. We can write in p by q form. That's why it is rational. టర్మినేట్ అయిందంటే చాలా, అది ఏ డెసిమల్ అయినా టర్మినేటింగ్ అయితే పీ బై క్యూ ఫామ్లో రాయొచ్చు. ఇట్ ఈస్ 0.303003 డాష్. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ రిపీటింగ్ ఇన్ ప్రాపర్. ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ 30303030, సో ఇట్ విల్ బికమ్ రిపీటింగ్ డెసిమల్, బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ రిపీటింగ్, సో దట్స్ వై ఇట్ ఈస్ irrational. Next, second question is give 4 examples for rational and irrational numbers. Rational numbers are rational. Suppose 5 you can write 5 by 1 or 0.3 bar you can write in p by q form. It is repeating decimal, so minus 3 by 6 it is already in p by q form, or 0.56, so it is terminating decimal, you can write in p by q form. These are the irrational numbers. So root 2, root 10, root 30, these all are 0.5623 some 7 dash, non-repeating, non-terminating decimals. Okay, these are irrational numbers. You can give so many examples for rational and also irrational. There are infinite number of rational numbers and also infinite number of irrational numbers. So next question is find rational number between 5 by 7 and 7 by 9. How many more are there? Maybe 5 by 7, so 5 by 7 and 7 by 9. In between these two rational number, we have to find an irrational number. What is our definition? If a comma b are any two rational numbers such that root ab is non-perfect. ab is non-perfect number, then root AB is irrational number. By using this, we can find the irrational number between these two. Let us see. Find the product of these two. 5 by 7 into 7 by 9. 7 ones are 7 ones are. That is 5 by 9. 5 by 9 is non-perfect square number because 9 is perfect square number but 5 is not. So 5 by 9 is non-perfect square number. Therefore, root 5 by 9 is lies between these two. That equal root 5 by root 9 is 3. Root 5 by 3 is lies between 5 by 7 and 7 by 9. How many more are there? Lies between 5 by 7 and 7 by 9. ఈ రెండింటి మధ్యలో ఇంకెన్ని ఉంటాయి? We can write infinite. You can write infinite irrational number between these two. ఇక చాలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. Find two irrational number between 0.7 and 0.77. Fourth one. Between 0.7 and 0.77. You can write 0.71, 71 or 72, 73, 74, 75, 76 up to 76 is lies between these two. Okay, that's why by writing here some 3, 4, 5, some 7, 8 dash. It is non-repeating, non-terminating. That's why it is irrational between these two. 0.7, some 5, 6, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8 dash. Non-terminating, non-repeating and lies between these two. These two are irrational numbers. You can write any numbers. After that you have to write dash. Like this, dash. These two are irrational numbers between these two. Okay. Fifth one. Find the value of root 5 up to 3 decimal digits. So root 5. Find the value of root 5. 5. So here 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 9 is more than 5. So we can take 2 2s are 4. 1. Check the nearest perfect square number which is less than this. Okay. So whatever the dividend, you have to take nearest perfect square number which is less than this. So that's why we taken 2 2s are 4. Okay, now add this 2 to 2. We'll get 4. So 1 is less than 4. There is no decimals to take down. That's why I'm taking points. If you put points, you can take 2 zeros. Now put a number beside 4 and multiply with the same. If we take 3, we'll get more than 100. So I'm taking 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. 6 and 1. Again add 2 to this 42, we'll get 44. If you will take 4, 4 4s are 16. So we'll get more than 1600. That's why I'm taking 3. Take 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 13. We'll get 1, 7, 2. We'll get more 2 zeros. Add 3. We'll get 4, 4, 6. Okay. Now take something and multiply with the same. 7s are 28. You will get more than this. So I am taking 6. 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36 plus 3 39. 6 4s are 24 plus 3 27. 6 4s are 24, 26. We get 4, 0, 3, that's all. Add 6 to 6, we'll get 7, 2, 4, 4. Then we'll get again 2 zeros. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. 4 digits. By taking 1, it will become more than this. That's why we have to take 0 here. Okay, taking 0. We'll get 3 zeros. Already we got 4 digits, but in our question asked only after decimal point 3 digits. So here fourth digit is 0. So we can take root 5 equal to 2.236. This is the root 5 value. ఓకే, మనకి ఆల్రెడీ 3 డిజిట్స్ అడిగాడు. మనం ఫోర్త్ డిజిట్ కూడా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసాం. ఫోర్త్ డిజిట్ 0 కాబట్టి మనం 3 డిజిట్స్ ఇక్కడ వరకు తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఒకవేళ ఇది మోర్ దాన్ 5 అయితే అది క్యాన్సిల్ చేసి ముందు ఒకటి పెంచుకొని చెప్పవచ్చు. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ ద మెథడ్ టు ఫైండ్ ద roots. Next one we have to do. Next question is locate root 10 on number line. Root 10. Draw a number line. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, and minus 3, so on, and here so on. So how can you get root 10? By taking 3 square plus 1 square, we'll get 9 plus 1, 10. That's why I'm taking 3. I'm taking here 3 and here 1 unit. Here I took 3 units and 1 unit. By joining these two, here suppose let it be A, B and C. So AB is 3 units, AB is 3 units, BC is 1 unit. So by Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square equal to AC square, or AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So that equals AB square 3 square, because AB equal to 3 and BC equal to, we took 1, and it is 1 square. So 3 square is 9, 1 square is 1, that equal to 10. AC square, then by taking root on both sides, root AC square equal to root 10. Square root get cancelled, we'll get AC equal to 10. AC equal to root 10. This is root 10. By using compass, take this distance and A center with the same radius, draw an arc here. Okay, so where you will get, draw an arc. So we will get here. So this is B dash. O, so that is AC equal to AB dash equal to root 10 here. So this is B dash. AB dash equal to root 10. Okay, next question is find at least 2 rational between 2 and 3. So what are given? Given rational numbers are A equal to 2 and B equal to 3. So first of all you have to find A into B, that is 2 into 3. So 2 into 3 equal to 6. 6 is non-perfect square number. Non-perfect square number. Okay, so it is non-perfect square number, therefore root 6 is lies between 2 and 3. So also we can write in another way, that is 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9. That means root 4 equal to 2, root 9 equal to 3. So therefore root 5, root 6, root 7, root 8, these all are lies between 2 and 3. That's why we can write root 5 is also lies between 2 and 3. Or we can write 7 is lies between 2 and 3. 8 is also lies between 2 and 3. In previous problem, we also find this value. We got 2.23 something. That means root 5 is lies between 2 and 3. Okay. So this is exercise 2.2. So remaining problems what I left in this video, that you have to do yourself. So thank you very much.